Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be taking you to the full tour of Payana Car Museum. So this museum is located very much near to Srirangapatna, and as you can see we have already entered. It has a very huge space, and this is having a good parking space, so there is no need to worry about parking of your car or bike. So once I get down, I'll show you the parking. So this is a huge parking. Many of the cars are there. Also, along with the parking, they have the EV station to charge your EV vehicle, and it is free of cost. The Payana Car Museum is having a 23 acres of campus, and it has beautiful uh, scenic views. It has a food court. It's a pure veg restaurant there, and good washroom is also there. Here are some guidelines you need to follow. The ticket pricing is 75 per person. So as you can see, we have entered the museum, and first they show everything about the evaluation of wheels, how the cars were modified, the beautiful jeeps are in the display, and it's very well maintained, clean, and organized very nicely. So as you can see, this jeep color is so beautiful, so it gives you the vintage look. Each and every detail along with the horsepower, torque, what is the model number, everything, every detail is been given. You can see many of the bikes like Bajaj, Rajdut, and Bullets are also there. So this is Chevrolet Bel Air. It has also provided the year as well for your information. Some of the cars have stunning colors like blue, greenish, and it look very beautiful. This is a Chevrolet. I'm not sure about the model, but this was something unique. So this particular museum is of 2 floors. So when you enter, you will be straight away going to the first floor. Then you have to get down. It's a round shape. As you can see, Payana's theme is round. Outside you have seen the tire. So same concept is over here. You get down, and you see various sample of trucks, taxis, uh, cars. So let's see. So this one was very stunning. You can also have a photo over here. It had a bench and a spotlight as well, and it was very unique. The tankers used, as well as the trucks used, they have shown over here. So this is Morris Woody, and it had a stunning beige color, and the upper section had the wood. This one is the Mercedes, and trust me, Mercedes cars displays were too good. I just personally loved it. This one is Toyota, and yes, this is Mercedes again. So for your best experience, I would like to recommend this place that you can visit over here. Also, there is Manjusha Museum. So various ancient architectures and various displays are there. So let's see, even photo booths were there. So this is, I don't need to even explain. It is showing Panjurli Devdas, that Vara Roop sculpture, so of the faces. So beautiful culture of Tulunadu is been explained over here. So what kind of utensils they use, what kind of instruments they use. As you can see, this is utensils. Then on the very left side, There are good utensils, ancient utensils, and small details displays they have already given over there. So, and beautifully maintained. Once you go with the pathway, it's very neat and clean, and single thing you can visit. And barricading is also there, so discipline and queue is also maintained. It's very simple but very elegant. The whole museum experience was very nice, uh, and I have found over here so many beautiful scriptures as well, which was very unique. It also has a soda maker. This one is the soda maker, and that big pot. So there are some of the machines also. I believe this is a printing machine. How it has been used when it was invented. This is a paper cutting machine, and every each and every detail has been beautifully provided. So I would completely recommend you visiting this place. There is a good parking, good washrooms, good food court. So it's a must visit. Thank you everyone.